ZerTech Tools and Automation is proud to introduce our brand new FT Series face frame assembly tables. Available in 4x8, 5x10, 6x12, and any customizable size. We are sure to have the size that will suit all your needs. On this 4x8 machine, the frame is constructed from over 600 pounds of heavy gauge steel tubing, and the composite tabletop is over 200 pounds alone. Our tabletops are built of a lamination type construction of a 1-inch ultra high density particle board base fused to a 16th inch 1045 CR hardened steel plate. This medium carbon cold rolled steel plate is hardened to Rockwell 40C and is then polished for an ultra smooth working surface that is far superior in industrial environments. And of course, this hard wearing work surface is magnetic and will accommodate a wide variety of our mag-base accessories and other custom jigs. The clamp carrier gantry is made out of ultra-rigid 80/20 extruded aluminum and rides on CNC grade linear rails. Each machine comes standard with 4 pneumatic clamp systems with accommodations for up to 21 on the largest machines. Clamp carriages are constructed of a rigid 4-piece half-inch aluminum body with 4 permanently lubricated linear guide bearings with over 84 square inches of bearing surface each. And each carriage includes a single lever clamp for rapid, precise, and stable location. Each pneumatic clamp can exert up to 600 pounds of holding force and will accommodate stock up to 3 inches. And your frames will be held square by retractable end stops that can be lowered out of the way to accommodate larger workpieces. And finally, all of our machines are built with hardened grade 8 fasteners and finished in 3 layers of industrial epoxy coating. All FT systems can be ordered with or upgraded to full CNC automation packages. Built to last for generations in stability, the FT48 comes in at a stout 1,043 pounds. All ZerTech products are proudly made here in Ames, Iowa, USA. Be sure to find us online at Facebook, YouTube, and ZerTechTools.com.